What if the biggest threat to your health was already inside you, traveling silently through your veins right now? Most people never see a blood clot coming. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't send a warning letter. One day, it's simply not there, and the next, it's a blockage that could change everything. Your body has an incredible system for healing, but sometimes that system overreacts, creating these internal dams where blood should flow freely. The good news? You have more control than you think. Your grocery list might just be your strongest line of defense. Here are 8 everyday foods that help keep your circulation smooth and your vessels clear. First on the list is a kitchen staple that fights inflammation on 2 fronts. We're talking about garlic. When you chop or crush it, it releases a compound that acts as a natural blood thinner. It works by gently discouraging platelets from sticking together, which is the first step in dangerous clot formation. Think of it as a friendly peacekeeper, stopping a crowd of cells from clumping into a troublesome mob. Next, we have a spice so golden it was once worth more than its weight in gold. Turmeric gets its vibrant color and its superpowers from curcumin. This isn't just an anti-inflammatory agent, it's a regulator. It helps calm the inner lining of your blood vessels, making the environment less sticky and less prone to blockages. Have you ever wondered why ginger settles your stomach? It's because it improves circulation. Ginger contains a natural acid that helps lower blood viscosity. In plain terms, it makes your blood a little less thick and sludgy. A smoother flow means a safer journey for every beat of your heart. This zesty root keeps everything moving, reducing the chance for clots to settle and grow. Now, let's turn up the heat. Cayenne pepper brings the fire, and that fire comes from capsaicin. This compound is known to help dilate blood vessels and improve circulation. It's like widening a narrow pipe to let the water rush through, which naturally prevents anything from getting stuck. A dash of this spice doesn't just wake up your taste buds, it wakes up your entire cardiovascular system. Moving from the spice rack to the produce section, we find tiny powerhouses. Berries are packed with flavonoids, specifically anthocyanins. These are the pigments that make them blue and red, and they work wonders on your blood pressure and platelet function. They essentially put a protective shield around your cells, making them less likely to respond to inflammatory triggers that lead to clotting. But don't ignore the fats. We've been taught to fear fat, but some fats are essential for fluidity. Fatty fish, walnuts, and flax seeds are rich in omega-3 south. These healthy fats are incorporated directly into your cell membranes, making them more flexible. Rigid, inflamed cells can trigger clots. Flexible, happy cells promote smooth sailing. Feed your cells the right fats, and they'll return the favor with a lifetime of healthy circulation. For a dose of vitamin C, look no further than citrus. Oranges and grapefruits do more than just fight colds. They strengthen the walls of your capillaries. Stronger vessel walls are less likely to suffer tiny tears and cracks, which are exactly the kind of damage your body tries to patch up with sticky platelets. Preventing the damage prevents the need for the repair crew to overreact in the first place. And finally, the sweetest surprise on our list. Dark chocolate, with a high cocoa content, is rich in flavonoids that stimulate the endothelium, the lining of your arteries, to produce nitric oxide. This sends a signal to your arteries to relax and widen. Better blood flow equals lower pressure and less opportunity for clots to form. It's a delicious way to keep things moving. So, before you worry about what's lurking in your blood, take a look at what's lurking in your kitchen. Nature has provided a powerful pharmacy, and it's available to everyone. Which of these 8 foods will you add to your plate today? If you found this guide valuable for your heart health, hit that like button to help others on the Healthy Lifestyle channel discover these natural secrets. Stay consistent, stay informed, and here's to a long, vibrant life with blood flowing exactly as it should.